So you've decided to make your tax-deductible donation to Nevertheless Missions. Great! And from the bottom of our hearts, thank you! With less than 1% of Japanese claiming Christianity, your donation will sow directly into those on the front lines, spreading the gospel of Jesus Christ throughout Japan. But how do you sow into these frontline soldiers for Christ? Well, it's actually quite simple, and I'm going to walk you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First, go to google.com and search for Nevertheless Missions. From there, select the link to Nevertheless Missions Home. Near the top of the page, you'll see the option to donate. Click on this. At the bottom of the next page, you'll see 3 options for giving. You can give by mail with a check. You can also give through your bank's online bill pay. And finally, you can give online. For this option, click the Give Online button. This will take you to a page where you'll see options to donate directly to our frontline soldiers. For today's example, we're going to set up a recurring donation to Butch and Ellen Booth. Click on the Give Now button under the missionary you choose to support. In this example, we're choosing to donate $100. Every month, and this recurring donation will begin on the first of the month, repeating every month unless you choose to cancel it, which you can do at any time. After you're satisfied with your donation amount and frequency, click the Add to Basket button, where you'll be given the opportunity to review your choice. Then click the Continue to Payment button. If you've opted to make a recurring donation, you'll see the option to continue with an account. If you don't have an account yet, click on the Sign Up link. From here, enter your name, email address, and create a strong password. Be sure to remember your password. You'll need it to access your account later. When you're done, click Create Account. You'll then be taken to a screen that requires you to confirm your email account by entering a 6-digit code that is sent to your email. Now go to your email and look for an email from Broken Pillars with the subject Confirm Email. Open this email and you'll find the 6-digit code needed to confirm your email. Go back to your Nevertheless Missions account setup and enter this number. Click Confirm Email, and voila! Your account is verified and you can enter your credit card or banking information. For this example, we chose the option to donate by credit card, and to help cover the cost of the credit card fees, we also chose the option to contribute an additional 2.75%. Just enter your credit card information. Select Continue to Review, and if you're satisfied with everything you've entered, click Submit, and you're done. If you go back to your email, you'll find a receipt thanking you for your support. That's it. You did it. From all of us at Nevertheless Missions, thank you and God bless.